In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color on draw.io. If you want to make your diagram easier to read, highlight important information, or simply match your design style, changing text color in draw.io is quick and straightforward. Once you know where the text formatting tools are, you can update the color of any text in just a few clicks. To begin, open your diagram in the editor, then go to the text you want to change. This can be a regular text box or a shape that already contains text inside it. Double-click directly on that text or on the shape containing the text. When you do this, the text becomes active and highlighted, which tells you that you're now editing the text itself rather than the entire object. After that, look over to the panel on the right-hand side of the screen. This panel contains formatting options, and once the text is selected, it will show the controls specifically related to text formatting. This is important because if the text is not actively selected, you may see more general shape settings instead. In that right side formatting panel, find the option labeled Font Color. Next to it, you'll see a color swatch. Click that swatch to open the color picker. From here, you have a few different ways to choose the color you want. You can select from the preset color tiles if you want something fast and simple. If you already know the exact color you need, you can type in a hex code. You can also use the slider to fine-tune the shade, or use the color picker tool for more precise selection. Once you choose your new color, the text updates right away, so you can immediately see how it looks in your diagram. This makes it easy to test different options until you find the one that works best. A helpful tip here is to choose a color that stays easy to read against your background or shape fill. For example, darker text usually works best on light backgrounds, while lighter text can stand out better on darker shapes. Keeping readability in mind will make your diagram look more polished and professional. And that's all there is to it. That's how you change text color on draw.io.